Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. We are standing in front of our Hydroblast today, and we actually have a carburetor here off of Ryan's bike that we're getting ready to do the rebuild on after he decided to lay that down and break his arm. We're going to rebuild this bike, and we're going to start with cleaning this carburetor up using our Hydroblast. As you can see, it is very greasy, oily, and just generally not clean. Before we put this into a vapor honing machine, we're going to run it through our Hydroblast. And again, the Hydroblast is a high pressure parts washer that has heated water. Right now we're at about 107 degrees. It's about 28 degrees outside, so it's taking it a little longer to warm up. But it has a low foaming aqueous based detergent in it. Plus we have our high pressure and our heat. So we're gonna clean this up and see if we can't remove this grease and grime on here. Okay, so we're finished with the parts in our Hydroblast. All the grease is gone off of this. There's nothing when you rub across here. No oils, no greases. Now, it did not give it a finish of any sort because we're simply just degreasing at this point. This is our starting point for the rebuild on that bike. Got a good start here. Next thing to do is to put this in a vapor honing machine and get it shined back up. As far as hydroblasting, this definitely did the job. It removed all the grease. There's nothing left on here. There's no sticky, greasy feeling. So if you have any questions or comments, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.